In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover from accidental deletions in Notion. We all know that sinking feeling when you realize you've accidentally deleted something important. Thankfully, Notion offers a straightforward way to restore those items, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Notion. If you're on your computer, this means launching the app, or if you prefer, navigating to Notion's website with your favorite internet browser. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, a space that's likely familiar to you. Take a moment to scan the left sidebar, where all your essential navigation options reside. Next, you're going to look for the trash or bin option. This is typically found directly in the left sidebar, often near the bottom. It's an invaluable tool in Notion, acting as a temporary space where your deleted items are stored before they are permanently removed. Clicking on this will open up a list of all your deleted items. Consider this your safety net for those mishaps, because here you'll find not only recent deletions, but also items you might have removed inadvertently, without realizing their importance until later. Now, the trash can appear a bit overwhelming if you do not regularly clear it out, especially if you've been working on multiple projects or have many pages. This is where browsing or utilizing the search function becomes helpful. Take a moment to visually sift through the list if it's not overly long. Look for the item's name, or if your trash is more populated, take advantage of the search bar at the top. Simply type in keywords related to the deleted item, and Notion will help filter the search results, making it easier to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Once you find the item you wish to retrieve, you'll need to hover over it. As your cursor moves over the item, you're going to notice a few icon options appearing. Look for the restore option, typically represented by an arrow going in a circular motion or something similar, indicating the return of the item to its rightful place. Click restore, and like magic, the item will reappear in your Notion workspace, right where it originally was. So, there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've not only identified, but also recovered a deleted item in Notion, sparing yourself the stress of recreating content from scratch. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check the location of your restored item to ensure it's back where it belongs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you keep your Notion workspace organized and stress-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools.